Steve F. in New York. This is your Lescom improved Anytone AT6666. The model number. Let me show you some of the things I did for you. I'll put you the power cord to this radio is just simply soldered into the board, so you couldn't disconnect it. If you needed to remove the radio, you'd have to pull the whole cable out. So what I did, I put Anderson power connectors, power poles on there for you. So you got a quick disconnect now on the power cable. All right, and I filled in the pin holes so that these things won't come apart. All right, the next thing I did for you is I put the rubber padding on the mounting bracket for you. A lot of folks, when they get these kits, they put it on the radio, and it ain't supposed to be on the radio. It's supposed to be on the mounting bracket, so I've just started doing that. Just putting it on the mounting bracket. It keeps down the vibration, makes it fit nice and tight. All right, and like I said, it's already converted. Well, I should have showed you that before I put it all back together. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, there's power and RF gain. Is on this one right here. This is the clarifier and the squelch. All right, and you can see we're on channel 38, lower side band. I'm not even getting a signal. Those guys are way off out in the distance. It's early in the morning. It's 4:15 in the morning, Sunday morning. But I got the high cut filter on. He's saying something about a Kenwood. But anyway, that shows you that it's already been converted. And like I said, I put those Anderson power poles on there so you can disconnect it real quick. I put the insulation on the mounting bracket for you. And the little bag that held all the screws and stuff came open inside the box. I think I got everything back in there. Oh, I even got a piece of solder in there. You probably don't want that. But I think I got all the screws and stuff back in there. I know the main thing was the mounting screws, the fuse, and the mic holder. But they're all in there. So let me get her all boxed up and shipped out to you. Steve, sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Internal on 38. Okay, I hooked an antenna up to it so that hopefully we could hear that guy a little better, but he's already got off the radio, I guess. He was saying something about a Kenwood, and this damn thing was picking it up with no antenna hooked to it. And I think all the skip just died. Let me turn on my Yazoo and see. Yep. Well, I waited a little too long. It's about 4:30 in the morning over here. I think all those guys out there in Texas finally decided to go to bed. There it is. The little radio works great. I couldn't believe the output power we're getting out of this thing. those new transistors. Now, I told you I was going to put FQP 13N10s in it. I didn't. I put IRF 520s, but they are the special 520s that are made by IR. They are the IR brand, not the aftermarket stuff that like Galaxy puts in their radios. Okay, these are original IR transistors, and seem to get just a little bit more out of those than I do the FQP 13N10, so that's what I put in there for you. I already showed you the Anderson power poles. So anyway, I think you'll really like the little radio. I just bought a new truck, and you know, all these damn new vehicles ain't got any room at all in them for radios. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put one of these in there. It's nice and small, got plenty of output power. Well, once I change the transistors, it'll have plenty of output power, and I'm gonna put an Anderson power pole connector in mine too. I think that's a pretty good idea. I bought a bunch of them just for this. It's one hell of a little radio. All right, Steve. I think that's all I got to tell you. Okay. Steve, I sure hope you enjoy my new radio. Again, it was my pleasure to set it up for you. I hope you enjoy your new radio. Again, it was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.